Wait. Para ba sasayaw, guys? Garang. Ayoko na. Para akong parang workout. Walang init. Mas lalong uminit. Ang init niyo talaga. Hala, uminit, guys. Hindi ako makahinga. Thank you so much. Thank you talaga, babe. Thank you. Gandang dilag naman, girl. Thank you so much. What's your name again? Paano ba kita tawagin? Should I call you Daddy? Daddy. Cute movie. Talaga ba? Sobrang nyo, Gemma talaga kayo sa akin. I hear it. Hi, Christian. Ayun. Hi, Mr. Love. Mr. Ko. I already follow you back, dear. Hi, Ed lang. Hindi yung Ed sa'yo. Hi, Bill. Hi, Enigma. What do you mean, Enigma? It's the Enigma, girl. Patingin naman. Oh, no. Oh, no. Hi. Thank you so much, Edie. Oh, my God. Thank you so much, Ed. Thank you so much, dear. Gosh, naku guys, hindi na ako makahinga. Mas lalong... Oh, mas lalong akong hindi makahinga, eh. Oh my gosh, Daddy Ed. Please don't stop. Don't stop. Uy,